Damn, my nigga.
Yo,
That
my
how
bad,
nigga
bro.
feeling, man?
Nah, but that fucking door was open. I didn't think that shit's gonna hit
Bro, because if we could talk it out, we could
you. That
talk
shit
it out.
hella
But if
funny.
it's time for that, it's time for that. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of time we be on.
Whoa! I thought he was gonna come straight up me.
I'm gonna just tell y'all like this, man. We do ride, man. Don't get us wrong. We do be on that. That's a part of the game. You know what I'm saying? We be on that. But I say the wildest click right now. If it was up to me to decide, it would be the Wings because they got a couple loose screws in that group. That's why I was trying to ask J.O. like, who been telling you that we ain't been RPing? Cause every time my crew leave, like three are leaders, but he know like,
I'll
you know,
play. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm a different type. Like even when he leave, I tell him, bro, make sure you RP.
¡Vamos!
And I tell niggas
¡Muévate!
every time, like, yo, bro, make sure you RP. We gotta
Make
RP
sure
this
you
out.
RP, bro.
Like before we pulled up that day, I'm like, yo, listen, niggas, we have to RP this out. I shouldn't, niggas gotta remind everybody at all times. Goddamn, I wasn't gonna
Yeah,
lie,
but
bro. I
I
was
ain't
trying to
gonna
get that
lie,
big smoke.
the kids got killed, bro.
You said what?
Doc over there dead as shit.
Doc dead.
Yeah, you don't see. Yeah, little bro just got me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, though, he heard me. I was cool when we pulled up on him and said we want RP because I make sure my gang
We
on
don't, we
top of
don't,
that RP.
we don't play that no
Uh,
more. Niggas getting,
what
niggas
happened?
get DC'd real quick, bro.
Bro,
I so
bro, you young, bro.
so niggas tweet type go live type shit. Niggas is doing that.
You unprofessional. You unprofessional. I ain't tell you to try to take dude off the post.
Oh no, I wasn't there. I ain't gonna lie. That was probably a different time. Yeah, no,
Hell
nah,
no.
I don't remember. I ain't gonna lie. It been me and you playing for a while, so I can't tell you. So it was probably CG, the white flag niggas. Cause after we get into the shootout, I'm like, yo, we gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go.
Hold on, bro. We over here talking to the ABM gang.
On my soul, me too. That's what I'm
Uh,
saying. Exactly. Exactly. Like I ain't gonna lie, Gay.
I hate that there's another nigga named
After
Gabe.
yeah, what I said.
I keep
We
looking.
split the scene.
I'm like, yo, we gotta go now.
Cause if he did pull up, we finna get jammed up.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of salty. Y'all got my motel though. I ain't even
On my
sell this
soul.
motherfucker.
Yo, I miss my home, bro. I miss my
I
home, bro.
still got a house here, fuck.
You know how much motherfuckers I done killed in this motherfucker?
Uh-uh.
This hey, I told the nigga, I said, bro, this is where we was birthed at, bro.
Uh,
This is where we was birthed at.
This is the beginning of the bullshit.
Hey, bro, you
no,
got
I'm
it, bro.
just
As
talking
long as
shit. I
niggas
ain't got
come
no
hang
clubhouse
out,
here.
as long as you come chill on the block sometimes, man. You know my grandma live on the third floor, bro.
I'm my mama, fuck.
You know how much nuts I busted in apartment number 1, bro?
Apartment number one.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I
girl.
done busted like 80 nuts up in that bitch.
Yeah,
One day.
On
One day.
God, to let him know, Gabe.
yeah.
A whole
Niggas
lot
Hold
of
was
up.
shit
saying.
done went on in this motherfucker.
If y'all see some shit up in the sky, up in the roof, bro, don't even know.
You know how much money got made in this little
There's two
hole?
Gabes in
What?
this city now.
This
I
is Gabe
literally,
Gotti though.
hey,
You know who
hey,
Gotti?
hey, low key,
Got
this
it.
where niggas made his
I
first
keep
20
hearing
M's
Gabe and
at.
I
I
keep
ain't gonna
On
looking
my
lie.
like, oh shit.
soul. Yeah, this where we made all our money at, gang.
Bro, I ain't
Before we
gonna
got
lie.
us.
Cause we
We
got an
got too deep.
MLO.
And we got an MLO.
We got an MLO and we got deep as hell. You know what I'm saying? And like, I don't know, bro. Our names ring bells, so every time the motherfucker flew to the city, they came right here. Like, I don't know why, but they did. So we like,
You think I'm not in a hurry? Vámonos!
about who? Hold on, step out the street so that tail won't hit y'all. Right now we allied with the right flag. I don't even think we ever made that shit official though. Did we make it official?
Yeah, we didn't make it official. I mean, it's official, but it ain't like, get off of it. Official in the
It's kind of like
email.
an official mutual agreement. Cause it ain't official in the email type shit in Discord.
Damn.
Like I
Yeah,
say, bro,
but
you ain't gonna have no problem on this deal. We just get that bread. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna step on y'all toes. Keep it cordial like that, you know?
Said that, hey gang, if you ever want to stop drinking fake lean, holla at me, my boy.
Oh, my mama holla at us, folks.
Yeah. You got that fake ass.
We got that. We got that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What's the ticket, bro?
Tell me the ticket. We don't want to hear number tickets on shit.
Yeah, what's
We got that in.
250 for what?
250.
For what?
$250
And
for
then look, I want to make this too,
Let me
like,
get 50
yeah,
in,
I'm a voucher for us the head of the game, but bro, we really all the heads, to be honest.
3.
What's good, gang?
Bro, like,
You
that's how
forgot
we,
drug prices and that? That's the old prices, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm
really
tripping.
all the heads.
It's 500, bro.
Yeah, I'm tripping. Drug prices
We out
definitely
here
had to come.
It's 500 a cup.
Need 100 of them.
Yeah, it's 500 a cup
Hey,
now.
meet me at
I do the drop off there. It's good.
We got
So for 100, what it is like?
I already sold them some X bills. Meet me at 208, gang.
208?
Yeah, meet me at 208. We about to.
Hold on.
You about to go down there right now.
You said that you want how many? Yeah, if you buy 100 cups, it's 50 bands, bro. What you pointing at me for, bro?
You the owner of OC?
No, I ain't the owner of the city. I kind of own the city, though. No, I ain't.
So you not the one I'm talking to inside the Discord?
Gay.
In the emails?
Hold on, I can't hear you.
Gay.
Yeah, I'm about to go down there now. Oh, bro, you
know what this
said
is?
you want to shoot his ones with you,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, I know who this is. Motherfucker, I hear that voice.
That's him?
Yeah, that's him. He said he wanted to shoot his
Good try.
ones from yesterday.
Ooh.
The nigga with the little the fade right there.
Who the gray flag dude?
Shit, what do you want to do? I don't even.
Yeah, right here, bro.
Yeah, what up?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Oh, this nigga just snuck it.
Ain't no, hold on, nigga. Fuck you talking about?
Dog, this nigga is wild. Who invited
Oh, they
him?
gonna jump me? I'm gonna get them shoot. Oh, my mama. Alright.
Good try.
He just try to jump in, right? Alright.
Hey, who them gray flag dude?
I thought shit done went left over here, boy.
Jump in, right?
The who?
He jumped in, right? I'm gonna block. Alright, watch this. No, fuck that.
Hey,
Put
look,
me down,
I thought shit went left over here. You see, I
Okay,
walked
okay,
up from
try.
parking the car. That's
Yeah,
on
he didn't know what was going on.
Yeah, we're going. Trip. That nigga just jumped in, right?
But that's my little brother right there, boy. I ain't know what was going on.
Alright, you finna know something. Watch this. Put me down, fuck. I'm finna blow this motherfucker down, fuck. What the fuck?
Hold on, let me get game.
Fuck dude just hit me for. He said he wanna fight me for. What'd he jump in for? Dude, that ain't my fault. Hey, yo, I'm popping your nigga.
Good D, you need a bandage?
Yeah, I'm good. Everywhere we go, bro. I can't take y'all nowhere.
Hey, look.
My brother.
Only thing I know, I see my man over here getting boxed up. Fuck that. Hey, you ain't
Nah,
gonna
nigga,
hit my
I
man
had
in front of me.
I had it.
Yeah, we gonna make sure you had it.
I would have jumped in if it wasn't a fair one.
I ain't know what was going on.
He just stole on me, though. He stole on me and still got his ass lit.
That's what I heard. Listen, when I come over here, I heard Bill say, man, that nigga just hit me. So I was like, oh shit. I better be lucky I ain't pull out the blade and start cutting niggas.
Hey, bro, what
This shit.
what that boy say? The numbers up to go get this lean or whatever.
What kind of bullshit you just get into?
How did you know?
That's all you do.
You know, you trigger.
I'm joking. I didn't do nothing, bitch. Damn, man. You guys know me too well. Damn. Bro,
I got some numbers now.
I'm upset.
Hey, well, that yellow thing hard over there, bro. Oh my god.
Yo, when I
got
got
some
some
numbers,
numbers, why did it say I owe more than $10?
Yeah, great.
Oh, because you gotta pay. You gotta pay to call the car $5,000.
Yeah, hell yeah. Bro, I did not know that.
Yeah, $5,000.
$5,000? Shit, I don't
Just
even
use the
need a
gang
car
card,
type
bro.
shit. I walk. I got
Use the
shit in the
gang
trunk, dog. Like 500.
Then